Last week, OpenAI announced ChatGPT-4o, a significant upgrade to the large language model currently used by over 100 million people. These features, which will be rolling out in the coming weeks, will add speech and video capabilities for all users, both free and paid. OpenAI expressed during a live stream that these changes aim to reduce the friction between humans and machines and to bring AI to everyone. In an impressive demonstration, Mira Murati, the technology chief, and ChatGPT developers held real-time conversations with ChatGPT, even requesting a bedtime story. ChatGPT-4o humorously responded in various voices, from playful to dramatic to sing-song, at the request of OpenAI researcher Mark Chen. The demonstration showcased video capabilities, real-time voice communication, and simulated emotions. When using video, ChatGPT engaged in real-time conversations with engineers, even solving math equations written on paper in front of a phone lens while maintaining a playful conversation. OpenAI has announced new features that will be rolling out over the next few weeks, aimed at enhancing quality and speed in over 50 languages to reach as many people as possible. The upgrade includes a desktop version, initially available on Mac for paid users. The OpenAI team highlighted use cases like university lecturers, providing tools for students and podcasters generating content for their audience, emphasizing the potential of real-time data utilization. The advanced GPT-4o, O for Omni, can respond to audio inputs in as little as 232 milliseconds, comparable to human response time during conversation. While these features will be accessible to free users, pro users won't be neglected with access to 5 times the capacity. The improvements will also extend to the application programming interface, which is expected to be twice as fast and 50% cheaper. One unique feature demonstrated was the ability of ChatGPT to interact with multiple speakers simultaneously, successfully distinguishing and responding to each speaker. Some users on X compared this new version of ChatGPT to the movie Her, where the AI companion was indistinguishable from a human personality. The demonstration also included a real-time translation between Italian and English in response to a user question on Twitter. OpenAI has announced that GPT-4o presents new challenges to real-time audio and real-time vision against misuse, and we continue to collaborate with various stakeholders to determine the best way to introduce these technologies into the world. As a result, the features will be rolled out incrementally in the coming weeks, with safeguards firmly in place. In response to a request for comment, Brian Jackson, Principal Research Director at Infotech Research Group, stated, "After observing OpenAI's live event today, it is clear that the launch of GPT-4o represents both a significant enhancement to ChatGPT's capabilities and an insight into its business strategy. So far, ChatGPT has been coordinating multiple models to handle visual interpretation, audio analysis, and text understanding. GPT-4o modifies this by natively unifying these capabilities under one model." With the launch, OpenAI subtly hinted at its business strategy. By reducing the cost of queries on the new model by 50% compared to GPT-4, OpenAI stated that it can now afford to bring the new model to all users, not just those who subscribe. OpenAI also made previously paid features available to free users, including the ability to browse the web for information and upload a file for analysis. The company also mentioned its custom GPT store, which has been accessible for several months. It envisages a future where micro-communities form around these custom GPTs. Jackson concluded, "This suggests a network business model approach where the use of ChatGPT is driven as much by a creator community as by OpenAI's developers themselves, similar to Apple's relationship with its iOS developer community." OpenAI states that limitations on querying GPT-4o will still apply to free users, providing some incentive to use the paid version. That is all for today about GPT-4o. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI.